everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a really cute fox. And if you're new to my channel, what we do on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is we make art with the simple supplies we have around our house. So a lot of times it's pencil, paper, maybe some glue, maybe some colored paper, and like as always, if you don't have colored paper, you color it in yourself. So I always give you alternatives. So today we're going to be making a fox. It's going to be simple, it's a little step by step, and I hope you enjoyed. So let's go get started. The first step for drawing a fox is we're going to draw an oval. Now make sure you're drawing light and sketchy because there are elements of this oval that will be erased. So we want to make sure we're drawing light enough that we can erase, because over here is going to be our head and we're going to have to erase part of that oval. But it's a little harder to draw a shape without drawing the whole thing. So here we have our oval. Then next, we're going to draw another oval. Right here, this is the fox's head. Have you ever seen a fox sleeping in a den? They curl up into a tight little ball, or like some dogs do too. My dog Pepper loves to curl up like a fox. So we have the shape of the head. And now we can draw our little pointed ears. One's on this side of the head, and the other one is down here. And I'm not going to worry about erasing yet. I can do that after I go over this in my pen. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the shape of the face. It's not quite a circle. It comes down into a little bit more of a point because they have a little snout. So you see, I just went off of the circle, down, and back up. And now we can add our tail into the equation. So it's going to come from back here. And it's going to be a little bit of a wavy line. It's going to dip down, then back up. Then it's going underneath the fox's head and back out here with a point. So it's going to come here, follow that same curve that we drew for the body, and up. So now that we have the shape done, I'm going to go ahead and go over that in my marker or your pen, or if you're just going to go over it a little bit heavier in your pencil, that's fine as well. So I'm going to draw the face shape. And remember, try to be confident with your marks when you're going over, when you're outlining. Be confident that you did it right in pencil, that you don't need to worry, you're not going to make a mistake. And remember, not all the pencil is going to be drawn, so we're not drawing that part. And here we come to the tail. It's underneath the head. So now I can go ahead before I move on, and I'm going to erase my pencil lines. You might need to wait a second before you erase if you are drawing with a marker that's especially wet. Like here, you see I had a little bit of a smudge because there were parts of it that weren't dry yet. So sometimes take a second. Now I'm going to draw the little eyes, and he's sleeping, so they're just little arches. And he's going to have a little nose on the very tip right there. We can draw a couple little hairs on the inside of his ears. Do you know the hairs inside the ears stop like dirt and things from getting in? That's why they're there. Like if you ever look in your dog or cat's ears, they have some hairs. Or some old people have hairs in their ears. It's to stop the dirt. I'm just kidding about old people. And then we're going to draw a zigzag line here because the tip of a fox's tail is white and the rest of it is a brown, yellow, orangish color. And we can go ahead and put some little lines to show that this is fur. And Now we're ready to color. So I'm gonna blend these three colors, a yellow, an orange, and a brown together to make my fox. And there is our cute little fox. You can go ahead and you can add some land, or where is he sleeping? Is he sleeping in a little den? Go ahead and add some things around him. So I hope you had fun drawing our little fox today. I think he's really adorable. You could put a little saying with him. Maybe you could put somebody's name under it. I just think he's so adorable. He also reminds me of my dog Pepper because she likes to sleep like this. So I hope you had fun. Remember, if you liked it, hit that like button, drop me a comment. Are there other cute animals you'd like to learn about? Just let me know in the comments below, and hit subscribe so you get notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye!